Hello my dear students, the question now appearing on your screen is exercise question 1.7. The question is, how will you distinguish between the following pairs of terms? First is hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing. Second is crystal lattice and unit cell. Third is tetrahedral void and octahedral void. तो हमें इन टर्म्स में डिस्टिंग्विश करना है. टर्म्स हमको दे रखी हैं हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग एंड क्यूबिक क्लोज पैकिंग, ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड एंड टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड एंड क्रिस्टल लैटिस एंड यूनिट सेल. तो हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग क्या होती है? हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग जो फॉर्म होती है वो इस तरह से फॉर्म होती है कि जो थर्ड लेयर है वो फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ एटम्स के साथ में अलाइन हो जाती है. अब ऐसा कैसे होता है कि अगर हम थर्ड लेयर को इस तरह से प्लेस करें कि वो सेकेंड लेयर की वजह से जो भी टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड्स बन रही है उन सबको कवर करती है, तो ऐसे केस में ये जो थर्ड लेयर है वो फर्स्ट लेयर के साथ अलाइन हो जाती है. लेकिन अगर हम थर्ड लेयर को इस तरह से प्लेस करें कि जो थर्ड लेयर है वो सेकेंड लेयर की वजह से बन रही ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड्स को कवर करे, तो जो थर्ड लेयर है उसकी अलाइनेशन डिफरेंट होती है, बट जो फोर्थ लेयर आएगी ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड्स को कवर करते हुए वो फर्स्ट लेयर के साथ में अलाइन होगी. तो ये डिफरेंस होता है. तो लेट्स राइट द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन. आंसर टू एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन 1.7. So first we will be writing about hexagonal close pack. तो इसमें क्या लिखेंगे? इट इज जनरेटेड when the third layer of atoms is placed over the second layer in a manner such that it covers all the tetrahedral voids then the third layer is aligned with the first layer. And give rise to AB pattern. So this is how a hexagonal closed packing is formed. Then what is cubic closed packing? Cubic closed packing. It is generated when the third layer is placed over the second layer such that it covers all the octahedral voids. Then this arrangement give rise to ABC pattern. So this is how cubic closed packing is formed. Next we will be writing the answer for the second part, that is distinguish between crystal lattice and unit cell. Now the second part of exercise question 1.7, that is to distinguish between a crystal lattice and unit cell. So first we will write about crystal lattice. It is a regular three-dimensional arrangement of points in space. Each point represent a constituent particle atom, ion or molecule. Of the solid. By joining these points through straight lines straight lines, the geometry of the solid can be predicted. So this is what a crystal lattice is. Now the unit cell. It is the smallest portion of crystal lattice which, when repeated, three-dimensionally generates the whole crystal lattice. So this is what a unit cell is. Now next we will be writing the answer for third part, which is distinguish between tetrahedral void and octahedral void. Now we will be writing the answer for the third part of exercise question 1.7, which is to distinguish between tetrahedral void and octahedral void. So first we will be writing for tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void. This type of void is formed when the second layer of spheres is placed over the first layer such that the center of the sphere of second layer is above the triangular void formed by the close packing of of spheres in first layer. So diagrammatically we can show this type of void like this. So this is the triangular void formed by the first layer of spheres. Now the second layer of sphere will come like this. Now its center will be aligning with the center of this void. So this kind of void is called a tetrahedral void, because if we join the center of these four spheres, it will come like this. We can have spheres now. If I join this and this, and this will be joined like this, and this one will be joined like this. So if you see here, there is one face, then the second face, then the third face, and the fourth face behind the board. So this is how a tetrahedral void looks like. Now we will be writing for the octahedral void. Octahedral void. This type of void is formed when the second layer of spheres is placed over the first layer in a manner such that the triangular void of second layer is above the triangular void of first layer. In this case, the two triangles are not aligned and their apex are directed oppositely, in opposite directions. So diagrammatically this can be shown. So these are the spheres of the first layer and this is forming the triangular void of first layer. Now the second layer of spheres will be coming like this. So this void generated is the octahedral void. Now if we show it in triangular way, so one triangle will be directed like this and the other triangle will be directed like this. Now if you join all these vertices like this, so there will be some 8 faces, one triangular, there are 2 at the top and bottom, and then 6 faces are in lateral direction. So that's why it is called an octahedral void. So this is what an octahedral void is.